Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is the RocHobby Magnum 118 scalar car. This is a beautiful car, but we are going to make some changes. Today we are going to change the lighting systems on this car. We are going to put indicators into the small lenses right over here. And we are going to change the ESC receiver combination. Stay tuned. So we are going to start with changing the ESC receiver combination. This, the standard one, yeah, it does the job, but yeah, my preference for the small cars is this one from FMS. This is the one that normally is provided with the FCX24 models, with the Basher, and probably also with the Blazer K5. And the low modulation and everything, and the steering, yeah, on this receiver box, I think it's much better than the standard one. So we are going to replace that. So first of all, we are going to remove the standard receiver ESC combination. Just unplug every wire you see and the motor and just take it out of there. It is just held in by a piece of double-sided tape. Yeah, so that's a pretty simple job to do. Before we are going to install the new one, you have to change the light connectors, because on this board the plus and the minus is different from the standard one. So what you can do, just use a small pin, lift the little inserts over here, and then you can pull them out and place them back in, but you have to change them. So they are reversed. Now we are going to put the new receiver ESC combination inside the car. So guys, the new receiver ESC combination is installed. I used a tiny bit of hot glue to mount the on-off switch. The front and the rear light connectors, I just put them in those two slots. Those two slots are normally the three-way slots, but we are only using the two connectors on this side of the board. So this is the plus and the other one is the minus, and the lights should work fine. So for the indicators we are going to use this 3-slot connector. So yeah, you've got one plus and you've got a right and a left minus. So I have a small connector that we are going to use, and yeah, you can see it right over here. And I have got some 3mm LEDs, and I am just going to solder them together. So guys, the new light connector is installed. As you can see, you've got one plus, you've got the right side and you've got the left side, and everything is all wired up. Now it's time to see if it works. So every light is off currently. When we turn the wheels, nothing happens. That's okay. When we press the channel 4 button, your front lights and your tail lights are on. Press it again and they will increase a bit in strength. And also when the lights are on, your indicators are working, you see? So that's pretty nice. And when you press the channel 4 again, then you've got your hazard light. Press it again. The lights, the front and the tail lights are off, but your indicators are still working. So the next thing for me to do, I am just going to use a tiny bit of hot glue, and I am just going to glue those tiny LEDs behind the small lenses right over here. So we are all done and the result is pretty nice. So when we use the steering wheel, you can see the nice indicators. You see? Yeah, I really love that. It's just subtle, it's not a very bright one, it is just perfect for this car. So, lights on, indicators on. Yeah, that's nice. tail lights are working. Yeah, I really love this. Alright guys, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.